In just like type for me by them. Time I be banned for shopping.
Okay, see you all tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Okay, see you then. Sure, for me, I do the cooking, my friend.
Tony, what time shall me miss and Marie how?
How about at 9 a.m.?
Marie, is that a convenient time for you?
In just like type for me by then. Time I be banned from shopping.
We won't have a case tomorrow. Where say we go for your holiday?
Will wish from a week go to Marie house, a garden guest boden with has to fix is
That's a good idea. Mali, will you visit offer papaya, salad, chicken, barbecue, and bamboo shoe?
Sure, for me, I do the cooking myself.
Thank you.